Hey everyone! Welcome back to Raminmark. If you're new here, my name is Ruhul Amin, a professional digital marketer and Photoshop expert. Today, I have an exciting product to review, the BESTBOMG Hair Clippers and Trimmer Set. Whether you're a professional barber, looking to trim your beard at home, or searching for the perfect gift for your father, husband, or boyfriend, this all-in-one set might just be the best investment for you. Before we get started, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on more awesome product reviews. Now, let's talk about why this clipper set stands out. The BESTBOMG Hair Clippers and Trimmer Set is a professional-grade kit designed for at-home haircuts, trimming, and styling. With 21 pieces included, this set offers a powerful motor, adjustable taper level, guide combs, and a long-lasting rechargeable battery. Everything you need for a salon-quality cut at home. So, inside the box we get a professional hair clipper, a detailed trimmer, 10 guide combs ranging from 1.5 mm to 13 mm for precise trimming, a portable carry bag, perfect for travel, charging cable and maintenance oil to keep the blades in top shape, and of course, an instruction manual. First impressions? The build quality feels premium, and the clipper itself is lightweight but sturdy. I love the sleek Y4T9 white color, it looks super stylish and professional. Whether you need a full haircut, a clean trim, or a detailed edge up, this set covers it all. It's perfect for DIY haircuts, professional barbers, and home users alike. The clipper comes with a built-in taper level, allowing you to adjust the trimming length from 1 mm to 3 mm. And with the 6 standard guide combs, you can cut at various lengths, 1.5 mm, 3 mm, 4.5 mm, 6 mm, 9 mm, and 13 mm, making it easy to achieve your desired hairstyle. The detailed trimmer also comes with 4 extra guide combs, 1 mm, 1.5 mm, 2 mm, and 3 mm, perfect for precise styling and beard trims. One of my favorite features is the self-sharpening stainless steel blades. They ensure a smooth, snag-free trim, whether your hair is dry or wet. No more painful pulling or uneven cuts. Battery life is super important, and this set does not disappoint. The rechargeable lithium-ion battery lasts up to 240 minutes on a full 3-hour charge. That's plenty of time for multiple haircuts before needing to recharge. The 6,000 RPM motor provides strong cutting power, yet it operates at only 65 dB, making it quieter than many other hair clippers in the market. Perfect for trimming without disturbing others. Planning to travel? No worries. The clipper supports 110V 240V, making it compatible worldwide. Plus, the included carry bag makes it super convenient to take on the go. Pros: complete all-in-one set, ideal for beginners and professionals. Long-lasting battery, 240 minutes, no frequent charging needed. Self-sharpening stainless steel blades, no snagging or pulling. Quiet yet powerful motor, 6,000 RPM, 65 dB. Portable and travel-friendly. Affordable compared to professional salon tools. Cons: if you have very thick or curly hair, you may need to go over a section multiple times for a smooth finish. The guide combs feel a bit plasticky, but they get the job done. Takes 3 hours to fully charge, which is a bit long, but the long battery life makes up for it. Absolutely yes. If you're looking for an affordable, professional-grade clipper set with powerful performance, long battery life, and versatile styling options, this is a great choice. Whether you're cutting your own hair at home or need a reliable tool for your barber business, this set won't disappoint. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Raminmark for more product reviews. Would you try this clipper set? Let me know in the comments below. Also, check out the link in the description to grab yours today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.